feed them. But none of them time energy we no give them. Them want we things like a feed them. Never want we feel rise but if we forbid them. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. See all them a do, all them a chat chat. So yes guys, hi, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna declutter, we're gonna organize. So I bought these boxes, from IKEA as well as Amazon. So I'm gonna put links below, you can check it out. You can see all of this, everything, all of this is organized. But the girl is always in front of camera. So my work demands a lot of outfits and all of that. So we're gonna organize all of this. Yeah, you can see this big pile right here. So we're gonna organize all of that. So stick along with me. We're gonna do that. Yeah, and stay tuned. So I have these boxes from Amazon. I bought two big ones, and let me tell you, it has wheels also. So I'm gonna show you one of them, and as I organize, I'm gonna put photos in all of that so you get an idea. So I'm gonna remove one box with the lid. It comes with a lid also. It has wheels also, so you can drag it anywhere. So I'm gonna put all my traditional outfits in it. So yeah. So guys, this is the box. It's a very jumbo one. Let me tell you, I'm gonna mention how many liters is it. So I just for the sake of it, I just bought two. So it closes like this. So it really helps me because whenever I want, I can shuffle till I'm in this in my flat. So for now, like this boxes come in very handy. You can put any of your decorations or all of that. So for me, all my clothes are organized. I'm gonna show you in one of the videos. Everything is organized. Yeah, and I'm a huge, soft toys girly. Like all my trips, I got, this one I got from Paris. That one I got from Thailand. This one I got from my Bali. So all of that, I'm a huge soft toy girly. So they're a part of my closet as well. So one by one, we're gonna organize this. First, let's give this a clean wipe. Yeah, and let's get started. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly give this a good wipe so that I can use it because we're putting clothes and all. Okay. So we're quickly giving this a good wipe. So what I love about this box is it comes with wheels as well. So it kind of really helps. Yeah. Okay, so we're giving this a good wipe. So I'm a huge, like I love to use wet wipes. They come in very handy. And I have this brand that I buy from in Swiggy. That is very nice. It has a little bit of texture, good like soap solution as well. So always, wipe the surfaces. Okay. So this is done. Like I've neatly, wiped. You can also wash this and leave it to air, sun dry one day. But this is best. Yeah, so we're gonna leave this a little bit to dry and then I'm gonna open one by one. I'm still figuring out I want to keep with the covers or I want to, organize, organize with the packets or open and keep them. I think open and keeping them is good, but then, there is a chance of all the outfits getting mixed. Let me figure out, yeah. But I think if I open and keep, I'm gonna store more. But if I keep with the packets, I think I'm gonna store less. So yeah. So okay, we're gonna open the clothes and I'm gonna also do like a haul style for you guys. Yeah, so if that area all covers, I have this big red teddy bear here right here. I want to keep it outside there. Then it comes like it looks very good in the photos, videos and all. Yeah. Okay, so I found the best position for you guys. So I have my box right here with me. For now, I kept the lid away. So I'm gonna open, take out one by one cloth, show you guys here. I kept you guys in a little distance. Yeah, and yeah, we're gonna nicely fold. And I'm going to try, I think this box, easily fits. I'm gonna mention down so you have different sizes as well in this. So you can select like which size. For example, you can keep all your clothes in this and keep anywhere wearing like your winter clothes and all of that. So all of these like I use a lot in my travel and all. Indian I can just if I'm shooting for any video or I'm trying to travel somewhere, a religious place or for my content, I can just quickly check out these boxes and take out one two. Yeah, so I'm my agenda is to clear this
as much as I can and to fit in one box, because in another box I'm gonna put all of my saris and all of that. So let's get started. Yeah. So okay. So I kept in a position where you can see both. Yeah. So let's get started. So the first one. So we're gonna try our best. So the first one I can see is the sari. So for saris, you can see what's going on. So for saris, I'm gonna, keep it in another box, because then it would be super confusing if I mix my dresses and this. Yeah. So give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna take out all the dresses, at least 10 dresses, and then, come back. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. I took out a couple of dresses so that I can show you guys. So the first one that I found, let me tell you, there are other outfits as well. So in the next, I'll try to, I bought 5 boxes from IKEA and I have a couple of dresses. Let me show you guys. I put them on the floor. Yeah. So all these dresses I'm going to put in that. See, all of this are transparent and they have wheels. So for me, it works. And I'm planning to, make an entire, like in my new house, I'm planning to make entire my room, my closet and all of that. So stay tuned. So these boxes come in handy because, I can keep all of my wedding stuff as well. Yeah. Okay. So let's get started. So the first dress I have is, you can see all of these, when I wear for my content and all of that, especially when I worked with Flipkart last year, it was such a good deal. Yeah. So yeah, I bought till now thrice, with Flipkart. So this is a very simple dress. So I love plain dresses like this because then I can highlight, I can highlight what accessories I would wear. So I'm gonna keep this here. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the the dupatta, and I'm gonna show you guys later, after this. For now, it's like a haul calm video. Yeah. So the next dress I can see is this one. I'm just confused. Should I keep it like that only or keep with the clothes? Yeah, because these covers and all will take a lot of place and I will never know what's the dress. So anyway, when I take out, yeah. So yeah, this is a beautiful pink and gold dress. I'm gonna try my best to put the links to this. Like I have to search my Amazon orders and all of that. Some of these are given by, various brands. So we're gonna keep. So for now, actually, I'm just gonna take out and put in this, and later tomorrow morning, properly fold, sit down and fold. So this is the pant with it. It's a simple pant, cotton pant. Yeah. It's a simple pant and you have the dupatta. So I'm gonna, organize one by one. So you will get an idea. So I'm gonna make this in parts. So first, this is the part. Like in first part, I'm gonna put all of these clothes. I think, easily everything is going to fit. Yeah. So we have the next dress. I can see a black number. Yeah. So this is the one. This is a very pretty dress, let me tell you. I like the dupatta of this. So this is a black dress and it's a plain black dress. Yeah, and it comes in very handy. This is from a brand called Closia. Yeah. So for now I'm just gonna put it in sets and neatly organize and show you guys later. Yeah. So this is the pant. It's a plain one and you have this dupatta. It's a very beautiful floral dupatta. So in my new house, everything would be visible. So I really love the dupatta of this. So firstly, I'm just gonna, put in this slowly. Then we are gonna organize one by one. So this is dupatta. So I'm gonna put it here. And the next dress I can see, there's a cotton number. So it's a mustard yellow number. Very good for summer months. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. So it is this one. Yeah, such a pretty dress, you can see. So I'm excited to wear all of these. So when I'm editing this video, if I'm wearing anything, you can wear for festivals, you can wear for temples, visits and all of that. So this is from a brand called Go Sree. Go Sree. Yeah, very nice one. I don't have anything much in this mustard yellow. So for now, I'm just gonna put, then I'm gonna organize. It comes with a palazzo pants as well. Very nice. And this is the dupatta. Such a pretty dupatta. So I'm waiting to organize all of this in my new home with my walk-in wardrobe, and excited to show you guys in the futuristic video. Okay, so I can see a beautiful, so it's from the same brand, the oh god, it's a tongue twister. Sree, yeah. So yeah, it's a white and a pink one. So this is the one you can see, such a pretty one. So it is a white and pink dress. It has beautiful embroidery below. Yeah, such a pretty one. So for this outfits, like I would love to pair this with a white dress. So such a pretty dress. So let's see how I'm gonna organize this. So it comes with a pant. Yeah, such a pretty pant. So if possible, I'm gonna nicely iron these so that I can fit many clothes. That's also a good tip. And you can see this dupatta. It is that such a pretty dupatta. So yeah, very nice. So yeah, this is another one. So I can see again a purple and white. By the way, when I worked with Flipkart, I wore a similar purple and white. Oh my god, that hit like 1 million views. Yeah, many people liked me in that. Yeah, I think I have matching earrings with these, so that kind of highlights it. It does not have any dupatta, but it's a very pretty. Oh, it does not have a pant, so you can wear your normal white pants for this. Yeah, white leggings, any of the white leggings that you have. So very nice. So I also have that this dress pant, so I can wear that also. So it comes with the organza, dupatta. Very nice. Okay. So I think I'm gonna, iron these so that I can fit more clothes. Okay. Now there are many sarees as well. So yeah, we're gonna continue this video. So I think I'm gonna iron these so that I can scrunch up and fit many clothes. Yeah, everything is falling. So stay tuned for continuation. Yes. So guys, I have set up, my iron machine so that I can fit a lot of clothes in that. And let me tell you, I just shot for a Savannah haul yesterday. I have all those stuff there. I have to organize all my Thailand haul stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna iron these very nicely so that they nicely sit. And we're gonna, slowly clear out all of this. Yeah, so stay tuned with me. So guys, you can see I have, ironed everything that I showed you guys. You can see the magic of so much fit. Yeah. And yeah, ironing is the trick. So no matter how much you fold, you can't fit a lot. So, if I was putting like this, I was only getting 3 lines. But if I put like this, I was getting 4 lines. So I took benefit of it. So all the silks I put here, all the cottons I put here, so that now for the summers I can wear. Yeah, so do iron. Yeah.